Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are good and enjoying your life with your family, friends and colleagues. Today our topic is important topic which is about machine guarding. We discuss today about machine guarding. Proper machine guarding is essential to prevent injuries from moving parts. Let's explore these key aspects of machine guarding. First, understand hazard associated with the machine guarding. These can include moving parts, flying debris, and pinch point. Conducting a risk assessment to identify these specific hazards of each machine. Use appropriate guards to protect against the hazard. Fixed guard, interlocking guards, and adjustable guards are common type. Ensure guards are securely in place and cannot be easily bypassed. Train workers on the importance of machine guarding and how to use the guards properly. These should can never to be removed tampers with the guards and report any damage or missing guards immediately. Conduct regular inspection and maintenance to ensure guards are in a good condition. Check for wear and tear and replace or repair guards as needed. Implement logout tagout procedure when performing maintenance on machine. This ensures that the machine cannot be started accidentally while guards are removed. In conclusion, proper machine guarding is crucial for preventing injuries. By using the right guards, training workers, and maintaining equipment, you can ensure safe working environment. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for more safety tips. Stay safe and guard against danger.